Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video I'm gonna show you that how you can add your location in a Google map. You just have to follow some steps to do that. First of all, you have to make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. Just like that, I'm gonna connect with my Wi-Fi. After that, just go back and just go to your app sections and just go and just search Google map and just go to the map and just wait for a second. It's loading, and just like that I'm gonna give my location, set a location on my Google map. Just like that, that's my building and I want to add. Just tap on it, and just like that, and you just have to just scroll down and just go to more and just go to the add label and just get the label just like is your home, just home, and just set your home address. And here it will show you the home address in your Google map, and you want to edit something in your home, just go to edit, and just like that you just want to add your own phone number for the public, and you want to place the medical clinic and your location and your hours, add phone numbers, and you add your website for the public. So that's a setting. You have to make sure to add your location on a Google map, and you want to add the Google in your Google map. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.